Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to create 2D drawings in Autodesk Inventor software. So I already made this 3D modeling. If you want, you can check it in my description. I have attached the playlist. So first go to File, select New. Here select Metric Templates. In the metric, we can select ANSIMM template. So but I made some special templates for me. I will select that template. You can choose that metric template. So this is the my drawing template. Click here, right mouse button, here select the base view. So this is the front view. You can see we can change the view here. We can rotate like this, and also we can rotate like this. So I will place first front view, next is top view, next view is side view, next diagonally I will place ISO view. So scale we can reduce here. So I will give 1:2 or 1:1.5. Okay. So just arrange the views. Now select the ISO view, double click here, change it into shaded. Okay. So this is the original color, and also you can see here there is a dotted lines. If you don't want this line, double click, we can remove these lines like this. See, now there is no dotted lines. Better to keep the dotted lines. Okay. So now start the dimensions. Here we can give retrieve model annotation. If you select this, select the view. So this is the model annotations. So this is we don't require. Actually, if you giving like this, the dimension will not good. So we need to give manual dimensions. Press Ctrl Z, the dimension will gone. Next here select the dimensions. Before that we need to insert here center marks for circles, this and this, and also we can insert for this also. So now give the dimension. This overall length is 120 mm. Okay. So here you can see there is a 2 digits extra is there. We can remove that. Go to here, tools, document setting, application option. Here select manage style editors. Here you can see remove this trailing zeros and for angular zeros also. Save and close. Now you can see the zeros is not there. Give the next dimensions. Give this thickness both side 15 mm. Friends, in this tutorial you will learn complete 2D drawing tutorial. If you are interested to this tutorial, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Next, from right side view, give the dimensions here to here 50 mm, and here give the dimension 15 mm, and also this thickness is 15 mm. So we can take this upward direction, just align the dimensions. So and also give this diameter. So click the right mouse button here, select dimensions type, click here diameter. Okay. Next give this circle diameter also 30 mm. Okay. So in the side view, that's it. Next I am going to top view. So this dimension already given, that is 80 mm. So we need to give this circle dimensions. Diameter 80, inside diameter is 60 mm, and here also one circle 30 mm. So this depth we need to show, this depth. So we can take the section view here. Here see section view, select this view, select the center point, continue. So which side you want, you can take here. So in this case we don't require this side view, delete this view. So just so I will do it again, because we need to take from the top. Now okay. So now give the dimensions. So here to here 15 mm, next here to here 65 mm, create center mark here. So this dimension we can give here. In the top view also we can give 80, or we can give this radius. So and also we can create here center lines like this. So I think all the dimensions are given. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment box. Next I will go to GD&T. First I will place the datum. So select here datum. So I will take this as a datum. So you can drag this out if you want. So we can do straight also. See, now I had the datum line. Now we can add the GD&T symbol. So with respect to the datum A, I will add perpendicular symbol to this surface and this surface. So we can add perpendicular symbol, and also we can add parallel symbol on the surface. So this dimension we can give downside, no issue. So select here, select the surface, select the symbol here. I will select parallel symbol. This is the parallel. 20 micron is okay with respect to the datum A. Okay. Next I will select this surface. Here give the this symbol perpendicularity with respect to the datum A. Okay. Next we can add the surface finish. Select this surface. So here we can add 0.8 is the standard surface finish, and also we can add here also. Okay. Next we can add flatness also for this part. So this surface should be flat. Same surface only. So flatness don't require datum. So next we can go to fits and tolerance. So we can change this dimension. Friends, this is the basic only. In the upcoming videos I will show you how to do precision components 2D detailing. Here select precision and tolerance. So we can change the dimension. So symmetric we can give the dimension 0.5. So both side 50 micron tolerance. Deviations we can add deviations here, plus side or minus side, and also maximum dimension we can give. So this is the fits and tolerance. You can see this is the whole tolerances, this is the sharp tolerances. So now this is sharp tolerance we need to give. This will go and fit somewhere, you can assume. So I will give G6. So you can see this is the minus side is there. So this will go and fit somewhere. So that dimension should be plus side, this should be minus side. Like this we need to give, and also I will this whole diameter with the tolerance. See, diameter 30 is there. For this I will add tolerance. See, it is by default taken H7. See, wall should be plus 20 micron plus is there. If here shaft will come, the shaft should be minus side. Like that we need to give the tolerances. We can change this, so tolerance will change, but H7 G6 should be sliding fit tolerance we can give for dowel holes. So that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me friends. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.